Hello and welcome to Lawrenceburg Public Library. I am Miss Megan and I am going to be showing you how to make a marshmallow and spaghetti constellation. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, so this is what our finished product will look like. So first, we start with our craft kit and we pick one of the constellations. I am going to make Leo. So using your marshmallows provided, all you have to do is count how many stars you see. Are you ready? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9 marshmallows. So let's count out 9 marshmallows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 marshmallows. Perfect. Now we have to put our marshmallows where the stars are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Perfect. But how are we going to get them to stay? I'll tell you how. We're going to get them to stay with our sticks of spaghetti, okay? So what we have to do is we have to break the spaghetti into pieces that are about the size between the marshmallows. So this one is the perfect size. We'll stick this one in here. Perfect. Okay. Now let's get the rest of our spaghetti sticks out. Let's break a few. Okay, this one only needs to be this long, so I'll break it here. And then we'll put it stick and stick. Excellent. Okay, now this short little piece that I broke off, can I use it anywhere? Will it fit here? No, it won't fit there. Will it fit in between these two? No, still too big. What about in between these two right here? Let's see. Stick that there and in here. Excellent, that works. Okay, so let's try a bigger piece. Stick it there. Cool, we're really moving now. Okay, this piece will go here. Okay. Now let's break off a little piece for over here. And if your pieces aren't exactly the right length to where everything will stay perfectly, that's okay. It doesn't have to be perfect. None of us are perfect. Okay, let me put this one here. And, will this one fit? It's just a little shorter than I want. And I still have extra spaghetti, so we're gonna break off a bigger piece. And if you run out of spaghetti, you can just find some spaghetti in your pantry. I know that a lot of you probably have spaghetti in your pantry. Okay, put that there. Almost done. And voila! You've completed it, but it won't stay. So what you can do is take your glue bottle, which we don't provide for you in the craft pack, but I'm hoping that you'll have some Elmer's glue at home. And then you take your glue and you glue just a little piece, little dot of glue on each little constellation. And you stick, stick, and then this one is a little short. Oops, get back in there. Okay, got some glue here. Did I glue this one already? I think I glued that one already. Oh well. Perfect. Now you wait for it to dry. And once you wait for it to dry, with the magic of modern television, it'll look like this. You can hang it up on your fridge and color your animal any way you like. and it'll stay forever. Or if you're impatient, you can just eat all of the marshmallows that you want. And there you have it, your very own Constellation made out of marshmallows and spaghetti. Great job! Okay, it was so nice working with you today. Be sure to stop by the Lawrenceburg Public Library, and I'll see you soon.